And it goes a little something like
Hey guys, welcome to this makeup tutorial. This is just going to be a simple makeup look. It can be an everyday makeup look or just something that you can always do. Now I'm just applying Jeju Aloe ice all over my face to moisturize. By the way, I have an oily skin type, so I'm also going to apply a primer. And this one I'm using is the First Step primer from Bilena. And now I'm just going to be applying that all over my face, basically everywhere, especially on my T-zone where I get the most oily. Basically what this does, it cancels out the shine on your face, and it also gives the skin a smoother canvas. Next, we're going to apply concealer, and I am using the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. I'm just gonna put it under my eyes and just places I want to cover up, which is almost everywhere really. Then we're gonna blend all that in using a makeup sponge. I realized that this sponge is too dry, so I'm just gonna be spraying some setting spray to dampen it a little bit. If you don't want to use a sponge, you can just use your hands. I like to do that sometimes because I'm too lazy to always brush my washes. What? Wash my brushes or my sponges. Next, for my eyebrows, I forgot to film a clip of the product that I use, but I just used the Careline Mascara. I'm gonna link it down below. That's all I do for my brows. I just define it with a mascara and just brush it all up. And to finally add some color on my skin, I am using this Happy Tint that I got from the Face Shop, which also says Happy Bee Cosmetics. It's basically just a lip tint. I don't like to put this directly on my cheeks, so what I like to do is to swatch it first on my hands. After that, I like to use some powder because, again, I'm oily and I don't really plan to look so shiny all day. I'm using the Nichido Final Powder in Ivory Glow, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. For lips, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick, and this is in the shade Globetrotter. This may look a little too dark for an everyday lip, but don't worry, we're going to top it all off with something lighter. And for that, I'm just going to use this lip color from Bilena. I forgot what the product is called exactly, but if you want, you can just look for something similar, or you can just use any lighter shade. So we're just gonna outline our lips with these, and you wanna have that ombre effect. Now I'm just curling my lashes before I apply my mascara, and for mascara I'm just going to use the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Literally don't know why I can't stop saying mascara. But I guess that's it for this look. I think this is the last step. But please watch till the end. I mean, it's almost tapos na, so please stay till the end. Just so you can also see the final look.
funky.
Can I help it if I dream of you every day?